everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change background in PolyBuzz. So first of all, launch open PolyBuzz application. You can see over here PolyBuzz application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So in the home interface only, you'll be able to see several characters recommended for you. You can simply tap on the character of your choice in order to initiate the conversation. Or you can also go to the existing chat by tapping on this icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now tap on the character of your choice. Now you can see over here you'll be able to chat with them. So in order to change the background, what you have to do is simply tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options like my persona, background, decoration, custom voice, etc. So what you have to do is tap on this option background that you can see at second. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see all the backgrounds that you'll be able to use. You'll be able to find various backgrounds over here. You can also select it from the album or avatar mix if you want. So simply tap on the background of your choice. Keep in mind, changing the background is a pro feature. So for that, what you have to do is simply subscribe to the plan. If you haven't subscribed to the plan, you'll not be able to change the background. But if you have the plan, simply tap on the background of your choice and it will be changed. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you change background in PolyBuzz. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.